Hello and welcome to Week 6 for English 111 Online, Shaw University Spring 2017. Hope everyone is doing well. This week we are continuing to work on our research paper, which is paper 2. Last week we talked about what paper 2 was and helped you pick a topic. If you've forgotten about this, go back and watch the video from week 5 which explains this assignment. This week we're going to start doing the research for it. The idea here is before we start even writing the paper, we need to get the ideas. Kind of like baking a cake, we want to collect all the ingredients before we even start working on building the cake. So that's what we're doing this week, is trying to figure out how to do that. So I will show you. So to help you with this process, there is a reading in MindTap, and there is a quiz in MindTap. So when you go to MindTap and you look at week 6, we're learning chapter 19, which is conducting research and using sources. So you're going to read this chapter, and there is a quiz afterwards. Remember that I will not see your results until after it is done. Yeah, that's the thing. Anyway, so that is what's going on for MindTap. It is research information here that will help you directly with this assignment, what you're doing. What? I know, crazy, huh? So we're also going to learn about research tools, which I will show you. And you're going to do some basic research on your topic, and then you're going to find at least 4 credible sources for your paper. So that's the goals for this week. Okay, so how you can do this? Watch this video, complete the MindTap, and then you're going to post your 4 credible sources as a works cited page. I've actually got a video right here, which you will watch after you're watching this video, which shows you that I have explained exactly how to set up a works cited page, walked you through it. So yeah, you're welcome. Okay, so let's get into the 4 credible sources here. So the good news is, because you're a Shaw University student, you have some help. Oops, don't need to be seeing that. Someone sent me an email with little pop-ups. Anyway, okay, so here's the thing. Let's see. Yes, so sometimes when people, let's say you picked a topic, let's say medical marijuana. So you go to Google, medical marijuana, and you go, wow, okay, look at all this stuff. I got to find some sources for my paper. Okay, first of all, you made a mistake by going to Google. Don't go to Google. Okay, you want credible sources. It means that actually are generally scholarly in nature. If you go to Google, you have no idea, where this information is coming from. What? And whatever you do, never, ever use Wikipedia for a research paper. Don't. That is not a credible source, not even close, because people can go in there and monkey with the information. So no, do not use Wikipedia, do not use Google. Okay, now that I've shown you what not to do, let's show you what you should do. Let's go back to the Shaw University webpage, and as a current student, you're going to click Current Students, and you're going to go over to Libraries. Now, in Libraries, you actually have the online source here of NC Live online tutorials. So you click on that, and it opens up this thing. Yay! NC Live is where you can find scholarly articles. So now let's look for medical marijuana here. Marijuana, and search. Oh, look at that! Scholarly articles. Wow, news and magazine articles. These are all good things. So if you've picked, let's say, you're pro adding medical marijuana as it being a legal thing, then you would look for sources that back up your point. If you are against having marijuana be legalized, then you would look up sources that back up your point. If you're having challenges finding sources that back up your point. So let's say, and I've had a student do this, they had picked a controversial topic, they picked a side, and they said, I'm for this thing, but all I can find are articles that are against it, and I can't find anything for it. So what should I do? My response was very simple. Change your opinion. Okay, that's kind of the whole point of a research opinion, a research paper rather. You may have opinions on things and realize after you do research, you may be wrong. What? Yeah, isn't that crazy? So, that's kind of the whole point of this. Now, because you have to create a works cited page, you're like, oh, how am I supposed to do this in proper MLA formatting? The great thing about NC Live is that it actually has a great thing to help you. So let's just look at this one right here, medical marijuana for cancer. Okay. And then it will bring up the article. There's the article. Well, you can access the article from here. But let's say then you need to, since you have to create a, what do you call it, works cited page. Okay, well at the top of this, you'll notice over here on the right-hand side, you see the word cite. So you click on that, and you're like, okay, well, I don't want to do APA style. I want to do it as MLA style, and I want to use the latest edition, the 8th edition. There it is right there. What? Are you kidding me? Yep, and then I would just copy that, and there is my information that I would put on my works cited page. Isn't that neat? That is awesome. So again, cite, 8th edition MLA, just copy that and paste that into your works cited page. Now, once you paste it, you'll have to make sure it's the correct format, which the other video will show you, but that'll save you a lot of grief. And you can't do this if you are searching for stuff on Google. So yeah, use this instead. So again, for this week, read the stuff in MindTap, take the quiz, then go to NC Live and start searching for 4 credible sources to back up your stuff. And then you're going to create a works cited page using proper MLA formatting. How do you do that? This video right here, which I'm pointing to, how to set up a works cited page MLA, will walk you through it. So there you go. All right, now go